Francis
He was either,
Tiafoe and Mitchell Kruger competed in the Sarasota Open on last week. Their match was interrupted by a couple having sex across the way. That's how the hell
across the way
in an apartment.
in an apartment. They're playing a tennis match on a tennis court, and then it sounds like it's a pretty big thing. Like there's like a crowd there.
Mm-hmm. Do we have like a distance of how far away this apartment was?
I have some sound.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Play
the
some
please.
sound, I guess.
You can only vaguely hear them, but still.
Okay.
I still hear it. It's still going. What is going on?
Be that good.
Oh, we got a jokester in the crowd.
I hope that was one of the players.
It was.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It was Francis.
Oh, Francis.
He said it can't be that good, which is a great response.
No, that's not a phone. That is...
Rococa's sex.
That's an apartment across the lake.
Across the lake. Holy shit.
Incredible. Oh, that's this them played.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Wait a minute.
moaning
Yeah,
at
that's
every
true.
hit of the ball.
In a weird way, a tennis match kind of sounds like two
I
people
was just
banging.
thinking that,
If you
yeah.
ever hear like Serena Williams play, it's just like the loudest grunt.
That's what it's like.
Stop.
Stop it! All right. What would your tennis grunt sound like? What would your tennis grunt
tennis
sound like?
grunt?
Yeah. Yeah, I'd go really long.
You're like too unsure of when you're actually gonna like make contact with the ball.
Whoa!
You're spending more energy on your grunt than your swing.
Those two tired me out so much. I'm sweating.
You need something high energy and quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like high pitch.
Yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh yeah! Yeah!
So you sound more like a cartoon samurai than a
Yes.
tennis
Hell
player.
yeah.
Hey!
I would just yell my name.
That'd be really good.
I just say my own name.
Neil Bento! Neil!
Full name.
Neil Bento.
Neil Anthony Domeno.
So you're a Pokemon character, not a tennis
Yeah.
player.
Straight up. Yeah. That's my special ability.
Neil used super hit.
I used fucking tail whip
Nice.
into Lear.
Nice.
Tail whip that ass.
Tail whip that ass. I can't believe that somebody was making that much noise during intercourse.
I call bullshit.
I also call bullshit. I'm
something's
right
not
there
right.
with you. I think they knew that there was a tennis match going on, and they were like, "Hey, you know what'd be really funny?"
It's hot out there, you know. They open the windows.
Yeah,
That doesn't clarify
Light
why
the
she's
candles.
fucking like yelling
Oh,
at that point.
laying some pipe,
Yeah.
you know.
if it was that loud
Just a
from
good day.
like across the lake, imagine what it was
The
like in that
neighbor.
room.
Oh,
Like, there's
God.
no way. I could not.
Maybe they're wearing headphones.
Maybe the lake made it louder.
You think they were wearing noise
Maybe.
canceling headphones?
They were podcasting their sex.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe they held up like megaphones.
Why? Crying. I don't. This is sex.
Imagine it would hurt if she's screaming that
I guess
loud.
so. Yeah.
At that point, you're in pain. I feel bad for her.
Right.
I wanted to watch a tennis match.
Francis Tiafoe's playing.
Mitchell Kruger.
I'm slimy.
Because of the Florida humidity.
It's just hot. It's just hot down there, listeners.
It's really humid.
Don't worry.
This one. Oh my god! Say that.
Because there's no dry heat in Florida.
Yeah. It's just
The swamps.
It's
a swamp.
Yeah, it's just the swamp.
Everglades.